said Brazil, like you started making videos to show. You said your dad, like, because they're crazy down there in Brazil. So, basically,
Yeah. So in Brazil, if you don't know anything about the culture there and the community there, obviously it's a much less wealthy country than the United States. So a lot of people get 125s and 150s to get around the city and stuff. And there's also a really common kind of trope in Brazil. It's called the moto boy. And basically, these are guys who are like doing like Uber deliveries and like other deliveries, and they're known for riding like really aggressively and really crazy in traffic. They'll like split through lanes and like hit mirrors and stuff. If anyone in the audience is Brazilian, they'll know exactly what I'm talking about. Like it's the moto boy phenomenon. Um, and yeah, like that was kind of his perception of what motorcycling was, and so he just wanted to make sure I wasn't riding like that, and that's why I put up the video.
okay. So you said you had 2 months or something about a riding experience when you got the Yamaha. Is that what you said? Something about like 2 months.
No, so the first video I posted was after about two
Oh, okay.
riding around. I felt like I was, that was to me enough experience to put up a video on the internet. But I thought it would be cool just to show my dad that, and then also like anyone else looking to get a bike. I was like, hey, like I just started out. It's not that hard, Like I'm just doing my thing, and then over time it evolved.
Oh, so you're from Brazil. Like I'm assuming that.
Yeah. I'm Brazilian. I'm from Brazil. Yeah.
I didn't know that. I learned something.
Yeah, so I'm fluent in Portuguese, grew up in the household speaking Portuguese, and my entire family is down there pretty much. I'm actually going in 12 days, going down there for a wedding. And it was funny, I put up a story on my Instagram being like, hey, like, please send me like Brazilian and Portuguese, like, podcasts and videos because I need to brush up on my Portuguese because it's so rusty because I don't speak it as much anymore. But yeah, full-blooded Brazilian.